Today I'm going to show you how to delete the history from Mozilla Firefox. First, go to the Firefox tab in the left hand corner. Go to History and clear recent history. Then choose how long you want the history to be deleted back. Then press clear now. I'm not going to click it. And then to check it, go to history and everything should be gone.